Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making banana peanut butter balls. You'll need honey, flax seeds, salt and cinnamon, peanut butter, oats, and a banana. To start, smash your bananas, then add your peanut butter, then mix it up. Next, add your honey, then mix it up again. Then get a new bowl, mix up your oats, flax seeds, your salt and cinnamon. Then pour one mixture into the other, mix it up. Then put it in the freezer for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then roll into balls, refrigerate for half an hour, and then enjoy.